Can Fluence Energy triple or 10x over the next 12 months? I'm Jeremy Fielder, and we're going to cover why this stock is set to explode. AI data centers and the adoption of electric vehicles are projected to double the electricity demand by the end of the decade. The electricity grid will face tremendous stress, raising the probability of blackouts without a solution. Energy storage is that solution, and demand is currently skyrocketing. Fluence Energy is at the center of this megatrend, operating in over 160 countries to provide energy storage solutions for the global power grid. Fluence was recognized as a tier 1 energy supplier by S&P Global, and recently institutional investors are increasing their holdings. Now, this first caught my attention because it's a small cap cyclical company, very sensitive to interest rates, with a strong technical breakout and rising momentum on the charts. Now, from a technical basis, if we look at the weekly chart, we can see tremendous momentum starting to pick up as we break above the cup and handle. I'm expecting a quick move to be somewhere between $18 and $20 a share going into the end of the year. Now, Wall Street wants growth, and Fluence is starting to deliver. Their revenues are growing at double-digit rates. Gross margins are expanding. From 2021 to 2024, Fluence's annual revenue nearly quadrupled from $681 million to $2.7 billion. With $4.5 billion in backlog orders, the market is expecting that to translate into pure revenue growth. In 2024, gross margins doubled from 6 to 12%, and that put a bottom in the stock. Now, my thoughts, this is a $2 billion market cap that I think trades around $10 billion in 2026, given the gigantic total addressable market. We're talking 100 to 400 billion going into 2030. The biggest long-term risk is execution, so I'll be monitoring that on the next earnings report. Companies who can provide energy storage and grid stability over the next 5 to 10 years are going to have tremendous upside. Now, the way I'm playing it, 2027 leap calls to preserve capital and generate bigger returns with options. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more like this, like, subscribe so you get the next video, leave me a comment, check out the description so you can get the free Discord and all the other information. I'll see you in the next video.